Hello friend, welcome to my video. In this short video, I explain how to configure basic security on FortiGate firewall. Your network is divided into three roles, which are WAN, LAN, and DMZ. We have an example with a network with a file server. In this recipe, you will protect a file server by connecting it to your FortiGate DMZ network. In addition to protecting the file server, the DMZ also protects the rest of the network. Go to Network Interfaces and edit the DMZ interface. This example uses the port 3 interface as the DMZ interface, port 1 as LAN interface, port 2 as WAN interface. The interface alias indicates that this is the DMZ interface. As well, the role is set to DMZ. For enhanced security, disable all administrative access options. Go to Policy and Objects Virtual IPS. Create a virtual IPS for FTP access. Mapping from the Internet to the DMZ interface. Set the interface to the WAN interface. External IP set to 0.0.0.0. Mapped IP address, set to the internal IP address of the server you are forwarding to. Enable port forwarding. Select TCP. Type in the port you want to forward. Go to Policy and Objects, then Firewall Policy. Create a firewall policy to allow traffic from the LAN to the Internet. Give the policy a name that indicates that the policy will be for traffic to the Internet. Set the incoming interface to the LAN interface and the outgoing interface to the Internet-facing interface. Set source, destination address, schedule, and services is all. Make sure the action is set to accept. Turn on NAT. You can now browse the Internet using any computer that connects to the FortiGate's internal interface. Create a second firewall policy to allow FTP traffic from the internal network to the file server. Set the incoming interface to the LAN interface and the outgoing interface to the DMZ interface. Set source, destination address, and schedule is all. Set services is FTP. Make sure the action is set to accept. Turn on NAT. You can now access the file server from LAN address. Create a third firewall policy to allow FTP traffic from the Internet to the file server. Set the incoming interface to the WAN interface and the outgoing interface to the DMZ interface. Set source and schedule is all. Add virtual IP as the destination address. Set services is FTP. Make sure the action is set to accept. Turn on NAT. Results. Internet users and internal network users can access the file server by the file server's internet address. Internal users can also access the file server using its DMZ address. As always, if you found this post useful, then subscribe to my YouTube channel. Help me 500,000 subscribers.